Hello friends, welcome to Photo. In this video I'll show you how to make this colorful photo booth with the material easily available at home. This can make any celebration a memorable one and you can enjoy the pictures lifelong. And this is very easy to make. We need card box, chart paper, clear tape, brown tape, hot glue gun, some colorful carry bags, binding wire and a pair of scissors. Alternatively, you can use any paper flowers as well. So let's get started. To start with, I have cut the card box into 4 inches width and I have layered it up in 3 and glued them one upon the other. So it is diagonally around 40 to 42 inches. To fix it further, I am just sticking up brown tape here and there to make it little more sturdy while holding it. So randomly I am adding and rolling up the brown tape on all the sides of the frame which I have cut. So this is how I have added the tape on all the sides, and now I am using colorful chart paper. As I don't have a big sheet, I am just adding two side by side with the help of clear tape and I am sticking them. Once it is stuck, now place the frame and leaving around 1.5 to 2 inches of space on all the sides, cut the sheet to the required length. Now even in the inner side I am leaving the same space of around 1.5 to 2 inches on all the sides, marking it up across on all the sides. Just give a small incision, poke it and cut on all the sides. And I have cut on the corners to give a fold to the inside. With the help of glue gun, now I am folding the paper to the wrong side of the frame which I have cut. You can use any PVA glue as well, however it will take little time to stick and we need to give little pressure. You have to place something on the frame for it to get stuck to it. So hot glue gun is better option while making this. So this is how I have stuck all the sides of the paper to the frame. Now with the leftover paper I am just masking the entire frame. This is how the corners are a little visible, but we can cover with the colorful flowers. To make them, take the carry bag or the plastic bag and cut it in a rectangular shape as shown in the video. Just cut the rectangles of the poly paper or the polythene sheet on all the sides. So I am using around 3 into 6 inches of 6 sheets and I will do a small fold on the paper. Now in the center of the fold which we have created, with the help of binding wire, just wrap it across, and after wrapping, twist it and push it to one side so that it won't hurt. And now start peeling the petals of the fan fold which we have created and make it fluffier. So once the whole petals have come, if anything excess is there, just trim it across with the help of scissors. So this is how our flower is ready. You can make as many as you wish. And now I have started placing them with the help of glue gun on the photo booth. Randomly I am placing as they are colorful flowers I have made. You can decrease or increase the size of the layers which you want to add in the flower. You can vary it with the size. So this is how I am placing the flowers. Wherever, even on the sides, to the sides, if we place the flowers, they will make very beautiful booth. You can alternate with any plastic flowers if they are round, artificial flowers. You can even use only leaves. So now I have placed all the flowers in the L shape and I will cascade a little from bottom and top, and in the corner I will make a bunch as shown in the video. So this is how I will place all the flowers. I don't want to overload the frame completely with the flowers, so I have left few places. You can vary it with anything. You can use only one layer or two layers of flowers. I have made a frame with the lace one as well. I will show it to you. So I'm just adding up more flowers, and from the bunch I'm just coming it to one or two single flower, so that it will give a cascade look. I'm adding up with the purple color flowers on all the sides. So this is how our frame is looking. Finally, I have made another heart shape one with the number 5 and a message of birthday on the card. This is the lace frame which I have made, which is very simple, and I have written a heart shape card. So the kids will enjoy this, holding this, and can have a lifelong memories of the celebration, whichever you would like to do. I hope you've enjoyed the making of this video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to my channel. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel.